Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Amazon how to add gift card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now in order to add a gift card in Amazon, you gotta redeem it. So in order to redeem the code, what you need to do is just simply head over to your Amazon app, and once you're inside your Amazon app, here on the bottom of the screen you'll see 4 icons. Simply tap on the person icon, that is your account icon, and once you're inside your account, what you need to do is tap on the option that says your account, and once you're inside your account, scroll down, and then under payments you'll see an option that says manage gift card balance. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, here you'll be provided with bunch of options, that is redeem another gift card, reload your balance, reload auto setting, add cash. Now all you gotta do is select the option that says redeem another gift card, and once you tap on that, here all you gotta do is either you can scan that code or simply enter the code. Once you have entered it, simply tap to apply it to your balance, and that's basically how you can add gift card to Amazon. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.